Alexander, and I'm the co-founder of FieldBots. Today, I show you the brand new FieldBots 5 in 5 minutes. So, number one, for the operational teams, we still have robots, schedules, and reports. That's formerly data. And now we have a new navigation item called FieldBots Maintain, where you have like the robots that need your attention. You have the ability to create technical tickets, the consumable shops you already know, and the licenses page for making sure that every robot gets the right license and the right SIM card with FieldBots Connect Plus. We also have some changes on the Connect side, particularly as you probably noticed in FieldBots 4 there was like a dashboard. We moved it to TV dashboard as a lot of users use this dashboard to put it on TVs, and we now have plenty more features. Number one, you can customize the widgets, so you can for example, change the order of things. You can also add some of the other things you think you need on your TV. And once you're done, you can move to TV mode. So we hide everything that's not necessary. It's the perfect way to put this on a flat screen, and then you have a dashboard of a newer generation. So back to robots. One cool feature, just a quick introduction, we cleaned up this menu. When you click on change settings, you have the usual settings, but there's a new switch. So if you want to have like dedicated settings for a specific robot, you can now do so. You can choose a separate distributor. There is a distributor you can associate with your team, but now that your fleet is growing, you might have different sources of robots, so you can keep track here, and you can have robot specific technical settings. So this comes in very handy, we believe. So other than that, you'll find the new widgets everywhere, so you can configure this to your liking, although I think we have a quite good standard setup for these widgets if you don't want to like get into details. Schedules, nothing new. Reports, nothing new. And then the maintain section I want to talk about. So here you can filter for the status. So you can say like, I just want to have robots that need my attention of some sort, and then you filter it. Here we go. So this one apparently had a run that was less than 90% of the square meters the floor has, or this place has, and this one is no longer paired. So you can start working on these things. And if you configure this in a way where you customize the settings and add the open tickets, you can actually create tickets right from the page if you want to. So click here, and this is your robot, and you could say, please reconnect. Thank you. If you need some special description, you can do it here, and then you can choose, okay, that's for my operations team, or that's a maintenance task for myself, or even this is something my distributor has to help me with if it's repairs or something. So in this case, we go with operate. If you need to, you can add documents, pictures, all these things, and then you just create this ticket, and here we go. So your operational team will see this right next to the robot. We have a cool document section talking about it, so you can add as many documents as you want, be it that it's manufacturer specific, model specific, or even for that particular robot. So if you want to keep track of invoices, serial numbers, and other things, this is the place. You can always configure this in the ways you need it. So that's tickets. You also have this overview here, so you see all the tickets, everything that's already solved. Let's go here and say, yes, I've closed this. There's also a comment section on the right, so if you need some discussions, you can totally do so. You can post URLs, and we just make it links. You can post pictures, documents, and it will be in this section here. So that being said, I think this is a very nice version, and there's plenty of more features here, including push notifications. Maybe this is the last one I show you before closing this video, where you can say, instead of a daily email, a weekly email, I want an immediate push, and then your phone will send you these push notifications. Thanks for watching. Contact with us in case you have questions, want a further demo, or just try it out live.